critics say that you make everything about race.
Yeah.
And what's your response to people when they say that?
My response to people is that unfortunately, because of the origins of this country and the original sin of this country, everything is about race.
Yeah.
And that's just true, right? But if we were a country that could come to grips with our history, accept our history, perhaps pay reparations, have a personal legal note.
I think the other one asking the question is dumber than Kamala. So that's like, she's a dummy. I watched her over the years. That is one dumb woman.
Donald Trump, I want to thank you for personally telling so many lies and committing so many alleged crimes and providing us with material on a daily basis. You help us do our jobs, and I'm so appreciative. Because of people like you, a former prosecutor and legal expert.
The seemingly perfect life of Sunny Hostin, co-host of The View, and her husband, Dr. Emmanuel Hostin, a respected orthopedic surgeon, is reportedly unraveling amid scandal and financial collapse. Allegedly, the high-profile couple has filed for bankruptcy, facing a barrage of legal challenges, including several high-stakes lawsuits. One of the most shocking cases involves a Rico charge, yes, a Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act lawsuit, typically associated with criminal enterprises and mobsters. But now, the couple's names are linked to this serious legal drama. Sources suggest the financial decline started when Dr. Emmanuel Hostin, once renowned for his surgical expertise, became embroiled in a web of lawsuits, ranging from medical malpractice to accusations of insurance fraud. The most damaging of these is the Rico case, which claims that Dr. Hostin played a key role in a multi-million-dollar operation that defrauded insurance companies. It's alleged that he billed for unnecessary or even non-existent surgeries, exploiting vulnerable patients for financial gain. Investigators have reportedly uncovered a vast network of illegal kickbacks, falsified medical records, and fabricated procedures, painting a chilling picture of corruption. As her husband's legal troubles mount, Sunny, known for her role as a voice of reason and integrity on The View, now finds herself at the center of a storm. The whispers surrounding their fall from grace grow louder, leaving their once untouchable image tarnished.
Paid for the work that he's been trained his whole life to do. So there are a lot of problems with it. But the notion that we are in a violent country, this country was built on violence. We're a very violent country.
Rob, you can stop. Yeah, you can stop it. By the way, she's talking about the whole Luigi Mangione and all that situation. And mind you, she is not implicated in the lawsuit at all. But it's just, I mean, you're married, Tom. You're married. If your husband's doing something, if he's allegedly doing something like this, you guys would know if your wives were up to some nefarious stuff. Let's just not forget who she is. She's been, for years, lecturing America about morality, inequality, systemic failures, and look at her track record. How many times has she had to go on in the past 2 months and look at the camera and do a legal apology for all the stuff that she said on the show? And then she also, on Trump's win, calling the loss because of uneducated white women that Trump won.
We have to know that. This is accused.
All accused.
The troubles for Sunny and Emmanuel Hostin don't end with their bankruptcy filing. Allegedly, the couple is facing additional lawsuits accusing them of engaging in questionable financial practices to sustain their lavish lifestyle. From their sprawling estates to their designer wardrobes, it appears their seemingly perfect life was funded by methods that are now under close investigation. The bankruptcy filing is being described as an attempt to protect themselves from the financial fallout these lawsuits could cause. Insiders claim the Hostins are buried in debt, with court records reportedly showing liabilities that far outweigh their assets. While Sunny's well-paying job on The View offers a steady income, it is reportedly not enough to cover the possible damages from these lawsuits, which could total tens of millions. Meanwhile, Emmanuel's once promising medical career, which was seen as the family's financial pillar, is now tarnished by the mounting allegations. The Rico lawsuit is particularly severe, accusing Dr. Hostin of being part of a network of corrupt medical professionals. The scheme allegedly involved performing unnecessary surgeries on patients or billing for non-existent procedures, all designed to defraud insurance companies.
It sure is ironic that she's up there. So, but if she didn't really know what was going on, right, which is what she's probably going to say later, oh, I had no idea what my husband and his associates were doing. We'll wait and see what that is. But I think it's pretty freaking ironic.
Yeah, I have a totally different perspective on this. I don't really know what happened with this. The facts will come out. What I have a problem with is the core of who this woman is. Unlike you, I don't watch The View, bro. All I do is see clips.
It's just like twice a day.
Here's all I hear from her. America's violent, America's racist, America's bad. Okay. I challenge you, Sunny, and this is Constantine Kissin actually was saying something about this. Find me a country that's not racist. Find me a country anywhere in the world that wasn't founded on violence. Find me a country that is perfect. Find me a country that doesn't have any issues. So when you're comparing America to Utopia, yeah, we're gonna look pretty bad. But if you compare America to literally every country on the history of the world, we're doing pretty damn good.
Yeah.
And not only are we pretty damn good, we're the greatest country to ever exist. Yeah. So this whole notion that all she wants to do is find the flaws in America, we're so bad, we're so racist, we're so violent. Sunny and all the Sunny crew, find me the country that is just so perfect, and then you can go there.
Yeah, and
sayonara.
You know what she said a few days ago about January 6th? She compared it, are you ready for this, Adam? The Holocaust, World War III, and slavery. And I don't know if you guys forgot, she was on that PBS show, Finding Your Roots. They did the background check. Her great-grandfather.
The alleged scam involving Sunny and Emmanuel Hostin is said to be far more complex than initially thought, with accusations that it involved not only doctors, but also medical billing companies, and even hospital administrators. The network, if true, would have collectively defrauded millions of dollars, turning what appears to be unethical behavior into something much darker and potentially criminal. For Sunny, the fallout has been devastating. Known for her outspoken opinions and standing on moral high ground, she now finds herself the subject of public humiliation as her personal life makes tabloid headlines. Reports suggest that the tension within The View is growing, with Sunny's co-hosts reportedly distancing themselves from her. Her ongoing legal battles are said to be distracting from the show, and some believe producers may even be reconsidering her future on the panel. The irony of Sunny, who has long criticized others for their mistakes, now facing such intense scrutiny, is not lost on anyone. In addition to the lawsuits, Sunny and Emmanuel are facing allegations of attempting to conceal assets ahead of their bankruptcy filing. Investigators are reportedly probing suspicious financial transactions, including the sudden transfer of property deeds and the liquidation of valuable assets. Some critics are suggesting that the bankruptcy might not be about financial need, but rather a strategic move to protect their wealth from lawsuits. If these claims prove accurate, the couple could find themselves facing even more legal challenges. While Sunny has yet to publicly address the situation, her silence speaks volumes, leaving both supporters and critics to wonder what's happening behind the scenes. Meanwhile, Emmanuel is reportedly relying on a top-tier legal team to fight the charges, though sources indicate his chances of avoiding responsibility are slim. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content.